Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tutorial. Today, we are going to talk about how to create mobile app design in Figma. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. So if you're not familiar with Figma, here's a quick overview regarding this. So this is a cloud-based design and prototyping tool widely used in UI and UX design. So this allows designers to create user interfaces for website, mobile apps, and many more. So what sets it apart is its real-time collaboration features, enabling multiple team members to work on the same project simultaneously, making it ideal for remote teams. So this offers vector editing tools, component-based design, interactive prototyping, version control, and developer handoff features. So it also supports cross-platform compatibility and provides a marketplace of plugins to extend its functionality. So this simplifies the design and collaboration process, making it the top choice for designers and team in the digital product design space. Now, if you want to get started onto using Figma, you're just gonna go ahead and click the link in the description box below to get started with Figma today. Now, once you have clicked onto the link, you should be redirected onto this page. You're just gonna go ahead and click onto Get Started for free to create an account. Now you should be able to see this pop-up screen. You'll have the option to continue with your Google account, or you could type in your email password. Then you need to agree to join Figma's mailing list. So then you could go ahead and create an account. So remember, by clicking create account or continue with Google, you should agree to Figma TOS and privacy policy. You could also use a single sign-on, and if you have an account already, just simply click onto login so that you'll have the option as well to continue with Google, add in your email, password, and then get redirected onto its dashboard. Personally, I like to use the continue with Google feature onto any website that I have encountered with so that I don't have to remember the email and password. I'll just need to click onto my account in here to get redirected. So we'll try to do that one right now. And right after that, you should get redirected onto Figma's dashboard. But before we begin designing, I would like to share some resources with you. So if you're looking for design inspiration, I recommend visiting this website where you can find a plethora of illustrations for inspiration. So the first one that we have in here is Apple Design Resources. So this should help you design apps quickly and accurately by using Sketch, Photoshop, XD templates, guides, and other resources. Now the other tool that we have in here is Dribble. So this is where you could go ahead and hire or connect with a community of millions of top-rated designers and agency around the world. So you could just go ahead and simply click onto the button in here, which is start hiring today, so that you could go ahead and have some help onto your design creation. Now, another website that we have in here is this one. So this is actually a template from Figma. You'll just have to search this QO food, 3D food and drink icons so that you should be able to see 30 plus premium 3D icons into your Figma design. And lastly, we also have this one. So this is just like QO food. So you're just gonna go ahead and continue with Googling here or log in with your Figma account so they could go ahead and use this template in here. So these Automam, this actually focuses onto 3D illustrations. So if you want to see some 3D illustrations onto your UI or UX design, then you could go ahead and just search Udemam onto your search bar, then you'll get redirected for this. Now let's head back onto the dashboard. So as you can see, this is what the dashboard would look like. So as you can see, here are some of my recent projects, some design templates, and here onto the left side, you should be able to see your account settings, notification, a search bar so that you could quickly access things. So you also have your teams in here, the drafts, and you could also view the plans in here so that you could upgrade for premium features. So you could choose onto a plan that is right for you. So we have the starter, the professional, which is the most popular, and the organization. And as you can see, we actually have the different features that it offers in here so that you should be able to go ahead and choose which one do you prefer the most. So you could choose from monthly billing to yearly for that. Then right after, you should be able to see some favorite files also in here, your team projects, and also the Explore community. So here onto the Explore community, you could explore thousands of free and paid templates, plugins, and UI kits to kickstart your next big idea. So if you remembered earlier the website from Figma, so if you want to go ahead and search for those templates, we're just going to go ahead and head onto the search bar here onto the community so that you should be able to find those templates in there. So you could use this for inspiration, team sync, design system, visual assets development, and many more. Now if you scroll down here for a little bit, you should be able to see the different templates in here that they offer. So you could make use onto the different templates that they offer in here so that you should be able to create your own UI design. Now let's head back onto the dashboard. For you to be able to create from scratch or from a blank one, you're just going to go ahead and click on the design file in here. And then right after, it should redirect you onto the editing page. So this is what Figma's editing page would look like. So you should see the different settings here onto the upper part. So we have here the main menu or the settings where you could see the different things in here that are important onto the creation. You could also have this move tool, or you could use the shortcut key V, the frame. You also have the rectangle, a pen, a text tool, also the resources, the hand tool, and the comment. And here you should be able to see the layers of your design, the assets, the title of it, and here you should be able to see who are the people that are into your design. And if you want to share it to someone, just click on the share in here, and you could go ahead and add in their comment, update this access file in here, and you could also copy the link in here. Now here onto the right side, you should be able to update here the design. Now you also have the prototype in here so that you could go ahead and create some connection or run in your prototype, and the preview option in here and the aspect ratio. So for us to be able to get started, we could go ahead and start creating our first screen. So we'll just go ahead here onto the asset panel, and then we'll begin by adding a status bar and a home indicator. But before you could do that, you'll need to head onto the frame option in here so that you could choose your prototype. So there are different devices in here that you could choose from. Then we could go ahead and try to use iPhone 14 in here. And then right after, you'll just need to search status bar here onto the assets. Now for it to be easier for you, you could go ahead and copy some templates in there, and you could go ahead and paste it onto your design so that you could just go ahead and customize this further. So we'll have this design in here, but just make sure to have it customized as per your liking. So let's just try to resize this one out first here. Now you can make something like this, so you could just add in some text also in here, like hi, or anything that you would like to see onto your photo. And then here onto the design part, you could go ahead and adjust the color of it. So we could have this one color yellow. So we could use this eye drop in here like that, so that it would be the same as this one. So let's try to zoom that one in. Let's just gonna go ahead and highlight this, and then let's change the color to yellow. So as you can see, we've gone ahead and already changed the color of it. We could also change the alignment. You could add in some textiles in here and many more. Now if you want to go ahead and add some shapes as well, just simply click in here. You could add in some components. You could browse the library for that. And we also have this one, which is the shape tool, so they could add in some lines. Let's go ahead and try to add in a line here like that. Then you'll have also options in here to add in different shapes onto your design. So you are free to use onto the different tools that we have in here so that you could go ahead and customize it further as per your liking. And now since we have this design already, if you want to create a new one, you're just going to go ahead and head on to layers in here, and here onto the page, you could see this plus button. So simply click onto that, and as you can see, a new page has been added. So we're just going to repeat the same process, click onto it, head to prototype in here so that you could choose a device. So since we've chosen iPhone 14 for that, it should be preferably that you should choose iPhone 14 also in here so that you could add it here onto the canvas. And then right after, you could just customize this one as per your liking as well. And now you could just customize it further until it would look something like this or onto what you have preferred. So as you can see, here is the app design that we have created in here. And if you want to do a quick preview, you're just gonna head onto the present in here, then tap so that you could go ahead and see how it would look like. So just make sure to use these tools in here, the frame, the line tool or the shape tool that we have in here, the pens, the text button, the elements in here, the hand tool, and the comments, so that you could go ahead and reach Figma's full potential in here to create your design. And there you have it. We created a simple mobile app UI design in Figma with multiple screen and elements. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it down below. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you onto our next video.